Hello, sir, and hello, folks. My name is Timothy Ehring from Kingston, originally from Cape Cod. I have a 21-foot center console here with a nice Suzuki motor, and I bought this from a couple towards the North Shore. The boat was already named before I got the boat. The husband had bought the boat knowing he has, sadly, cancer. His blood type was B positive, and his attitude was also B positive. My attitude is absolutely be positive. Coach soccer, we're always involved with everything, and all I do is send positive energy. So they say sometimes it's bad luck to change a boat's name, but I love the name and love keeping it be positive.
Hi, my name is Pat Paluca, and this is my boat. This is a Sea Ray, 37-foot Sea Ray Sundancer, and the name of it is the Slick 4. And I live in Norwell, Mass. And the name of this boat was derived from an oil company that I used to own. And me and my partner at the time, who has since passed away, we decided that when we were trying to get a name for the boat, we thought and decided on Slick, as in oil slick. And that's where we came up with the name. And this is our fourth boat, so it became Slick 4. Because as they say, you should never change the name of your boat. So you keep the same name each time, but you add a Roman numeral after it. So that's how we got Slick 4.
Okay, I'm Charlie Prefontaine. This is my wife and first mate and morale officer, Nancy. The boat is Helios. It's a 1965 Pearson Albert 35. And Helios came from a Moody Blues album way back when, called Days of Future Past. That Nights in White Satin was on, and Tuesday Afternoon. And there's a line in one of the dialogue in the album. It says, "Brave Helios, wake up your steeds, bring the walk the countryside needs." And I filed it away at that point for future reference for a boat name. So we bought the boat in 1987 and have cruised and raced ever since. Currently we've got the captain's license, and we're doing charters with it. Day sails on Buzzards Bay, and it's a very sweet sailing boat, and labor of love, I guess.
Hi, my name's Frank Oliver. I'm from Rhode Island, but I like to do some boating here in Buzzards Bay. I have a 1978 Mako. It's been a little bit restored, and I chose this name because that was my father's nickname. It was given to him by his music teacher when he was a kid. And his friends always call him that, so that's what I wanted to name my boat. And I know naming boats seems to be harder than buying boats, because I used to work in the boat business, and customers take the longest to decide on the name of their boat.
So the name of the boat is Room for Two, and it's a Moody, built in England. And the story is we have a smaller boat we used to take to Key West. And there was a singer there named Scott Kirby, and he had a song that we really liked, and then it was about Room for Two was the name of the boat.
We had company on our boat, on a 26-foot McGregor, and we decided that there wasn't that much room for 4 people, and that's why we decided to name it Room for Two, the smaller one. But we liked this, so when we bought this one, we kept the same name.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is David King, and this is the Resolute. It's a 21-foot Raging Tout. It's a 2014. I bought it at the boat show last year, and I've had it here at Zecco since. The name of the boat was named after a very famous British ship that went to rescue some Arctic explorers in the 1700s. The ship got stuck in ice and had to be abandoned. It was found floating about 1,000 miles away by Americans. They brought the ship back, they refurbished it, and gave it back to the British. You probably also recognize the name Resolute from the movie National Treasure. In the movie, they mentioned the desk, the Resolute desk in the White House, the Oval Office. That was made from the planks of the original Resolute. The Queen also has a copy of that same desk. So this was named after the rescue ship Resolute.
The schooner was built by Jack Wilbur in Noank, Connecticut. It's designed and built after the old Noank fishing schooners. We picked the boat up in 2008, did a complete restoration on it over 2 years, and put it back in the water up here in Onset. The name of the boat is the William Bassett, which was named after my great-grandfather, who was out of Middleborough and one of the first builders and inhabitants of Onset Island. So I was raised on Onset Island in the summertime, and so I'm fourth generation, and hence the name of the schooner, the William Bassett.
Hi, my name is Rick Brooks. I'm the owner of Crooked Arrows here, which is an old 1988 300 Sea Ray. My wife Kathy and I use it as our cabin for the summer months. And people always wonder how we got the name Crooked Arrows. There was a lacrosse movie by that name. Native American Indians were the ones that started the game of lacrosse, and our grandchildren play lacrosse. And so we thought it would be an apt name in honor of the way they play the game. The name Crooked Arrows comes from an old term from years ago that says there is nothing wrong with a crooked arrow. It may not always fly the same path, but it will always reach its destination. So we figured this was a good way for the way we boat, because we figure out we'll start out in the morning, and wherever we end up is a good place. So hope to see you on the water, and give us a wave when you see us.